Hello and welcome. I am the Scraptastic crocheter and my name is Amanda. And today I want to show you a little bit of the items I have been crocheting while being sick. It's been a while since I did upload a video of my projects and items, so I have some stuff to show you. And it is a bit windy outside, so if you can hear some of the background noises from the wind, I'm sorry, but I can't really do anything about that. The weather, you know? So, this is one of my more recent items. In this video, I'm only going to show you some smaller projects, but a bunch of them. You might recognize the yarn. I did a haul from Rusta not too long ago, and this is the yarn in the turquoise colorway. I don't remember the name of the yarn right now, but I know that the pattern is a fiber spider tutorial. I think it's called like the waffle stitch hat or something. I'll leave it in the comment down below. But I did, what did I use? I used a 5mm crochet hook, I think. And yeah, it's looking nice. All good. It's been used a bit, so it's been a bit stretched out here. And I could have left it a bit shorter because this part is just, you know, slouching kind of thing, but it's not stretching as much, so more of a beanie. I could have just shortened it, but it's fine. Next one might be shorter, we'll see. So that's hat number one. Hat number two, one of the other yarns I got from the same Rusta haul, and this pattern I kind of made up as I went. Didn't have a pattern to follow, but I have done a couple of hats before, so it's not too far-fetched to, you know, freehand something like a hat. But yeah, I like the colors, and I think I used a 6mm crochet hook for this one. The yarn is thicker than the other yarn. Loving the colors, really nice. Yeah. What else did I do? I have another hat. Here we have two hobby yarns. We have Amigo XL in a gray, and we have Tweed Dreams, the acrylic tweed. Not Tweed Delight, Tweed Dreams. And this is a neonish type green with, they're green or almost like bluish green flecks, like normal tweed yarn would have. They have specks and flecks and, you know, fun stuff. This pattern is a Bag O' Day crochet pattern, and I will link the pattern down below. But I'm really loving the Tweed Dreams. I got this yarn in an acrylic mystery bag from Hobby in, I want to say sometime during last winter, so maybe February, March or something like that. And I did not know what to do with it, but now I felt like hat season was coming. I had one skein of each. I still have some leftovers of both, but yeah, one wouldn't have been enough for this full hat because they're, I wouldn't say smaller skeins, but yeah, you needed like 1.5 or something for this hat, I guess. So that's what that looks like. And Tweed Dreams is definitely on the buy again list because it's so buttery soft. Like, I have never had any acrylic yarn that is this soft. Yeah, this is the softest so far. I'm loving it, even though all their colors are with these, like, yeah, different colors matching whatever yarn color. The main color has like accents that's matching, so there's no like solid colors or anything like that in this yarn. but yeah, love it. In the same acrylic mystery bag, I got the yarn for this one. This is also Amigo XL, same as the gray on the other hat. And here we have pink and a cream color. And I did a cute little toddler hat, I think. This is for a 3-year-old. Found a pattern on Ravelry. Yeah, really cute. My little Minnie is loving it and she's running around with it indoors. Yeah, so I might have to make a couple more because it's being used very much, and yeah, I don't want to like, if she loses it, I still have more yarn, so I might as well just whip up a couple more maybe while I'm at it. It's really nice. I think I used the 6mm crochet hook for this one as well. And yeah, I had a 6mm for that one. So what else have I done? So that's hats. I have some smaller items. I have actually used leftover yarns, scrap yarns, of course, and I've done some bookmarks. So here we have a longer tail, some bubbles on the end here, nothing really, yeah, just a little tail, a little chunk. And this is made in Hopi Universe. I had some leftover yarn and I free-handedly whipped up a 5-petal flower, and I had a bit of a yarn shortage here on the last petal, so that one's a bit smaller than the other petals, but that's life, you know. I just wanted to use the leftover yarn and do something more fun, so that's what we have from that. I do have another bookmark. I have something that looks like a flower type, and then we have a zigzaggy, little bit more stiffer tail. The other one was an acrylic yarn, this is a cotton yarn, and then something, I don't know, is it a almost like a wedge of an orange or something like that, you know. It's not really a rainbow or the shape of it, or a moon, or I don't know. Freehand, you never know what you get sometimes. And then I had some little bit more of this universe yarn, and this is just a regular, well, it's a scrunchie type, but inside it's just a regular hair tie, rubber type with yeah, the seamless one, not with any metal or anything in here. So yeah, you can see a little bit of the yellow peeking through, but I'm loving the glitter. So, and this is my smaller projects that I have done. I'm really loving this flower, it's gorgeous. And some hats for the winter, yes. So this is what I have made recently, and I have done a lot more, but it's gonna take me a long time to film all of this because it's so much. I was sick for quite some time. We had COVID and I was down for quite some time, and when I started to feel better and the kids got back to school, I was still not really feeling like 100% back to myself, so I didn't feel like sitting down and filming. I just kept crocheting, and then the kids managed to catch a cold, and then they were home again for another week. So yeah, I have a lot of items that I have crocheted in this last, well, probably 2 months, since some of the items are actually projects that was like almost finished when we got sick. So yeah, those are started a long time ago, but most of a month, and then some is what I've used to make all of all of the items that I have. So I'm gonna split this up in multiple videos because yeah, this is a long enough video, and if you want to see the bigger items, then stay tuned for that. There's shawls and baby blankets, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment, anything you like. Was there anything here that you piqued your interest? What was your favorite of these hats, or you know, just anything? Subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thank you. Bye bye for now.